Your front camera sucks, but your rear camera is so much better.
But I can't see anything.
Or can you? Introducing MagMirror, a 3-in-1 content creation tool with screen mirroring, power bank, and LED lights with MagSafe compatibility. Now, capture exactly what your rear camera sees in max resolution, just the way your audience loves, with better framing and picture quality. And if it's dark, add life to your videos with MagMirror's adjustable LED lights. White, bright, warm, even party lights. Get the look you desire.
Won't it drain my battery?
MagMirror's got a built-in 4,000 milliamp hour battery that wirelessly charges your phone, keeping it powered up for hours of uninterrupted creativity. Whether you're vlogging, live streaming, or just creating, you deserve tools that keep up with your vision. Stop creating the usual way. Transform your content with MagMirror.